Today I am going to give the review of Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 price is around $253. The Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 features a very different and unique dividing line design at the back. Y9 Prime has an extraordinary 6.59 inches ultra full view display which delivers crispy display with zero notch. In front, we have a pop-up selfie camera similar to Oppo F11 Pro, Vivo V15 Pro, Vivo S1 Pro, and OnePlus 7 Pro. The front 16MP AI front camera offers image optimizing innate scenes and will also intelligently adjust the retouching intensity of the images. On the back, we have three cameras: 16MP, 8MP, and 2MP. The latest Silicon Kirin 710F octa-core chipset efficiently lowers the power consumption and enhances the device speed. It comes with 4GB of RAM and 64 128ths of a gigabyte of internal storage. It packs a 4000 mAh battery. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 specifications. General. Device type: smartphone. Price: 43,000 PKR. Design. Type: bar. Dimensions: 163.5 mm by 77.3 mm by 8.8 mm. Weight: 196.8 grams. Colors: midnight black, emerald green, sapphire blue. Network: 2G network. GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900, SIM1 and SIM2, dual SIM model only. 3G network. STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G network. LTE. SIM. Nano SIM. Dual SIM. Yes. Display. Display type: IPS LCD. Size: 6.6 inches. Resolution: 1080 by 2340 pixels. Display colors: 16M colors. Pixel density: ~391 ppi. Touch screen. Capacitive touch screen. Camera: primary, 16MP plus 8MP plus 2MP. Video: 1080p at 30 fps. Camera features: LED flash, HDR, panorama. Secondary: motorized pop-up 16MP, f/2.0. Software: operating system: Android 9.0, Pie. User interface: ME9. Hardware: chipset: Silicon Kirin 710, 12 nanometers. CPU: octa-core, 4x2, 2 GHz Cortex-A73 and 4x1, 7 GHz Cortex-A53. GPU: Mali G51 MP4. RAM, memory: 4 GB. Internal storage: 64 128ths of a gigabyte. Card slot: microSD, up to 512 GB. Sensors: fingerprint, in-display, accelerometer, proximity, compass. Connectivity: Bluetooth V5.0 with A2DP, LE. Wi-Fi: Wi-Fi 802.11 A/B/G/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. GPS: yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS. Battery: battery type: Li-Poly, lithium polymer. Capacity: 4000 mAh. Placement: non-removable. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update.